In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a Smartsheet automation using a template so that notifications are sent when a task is marked complete. First, open your project sheet in Smartsheet. Make sure you're in the correct workspace and on the sheet where you want this automation to run. If Smartsheet opens in a different view, that's fine. We'll adjust that next. Near the top of the screen, click on the highlighted View selector and choose Grid. Grid View is the most straightforward layout, and it makes it easier to visualize the columns and conditions you'll be using in your automation. Next, look towards the top menu bar and click on Automation. This is where all of your workflow rules live. From the Automation menu, select Create from Template. Using a template gives you a pre-built structure, so you only need to tailor a few details instead of building an entire workflow from scratch. In the template gallery, choose the option for Notifications and Reminders. If you see it listed more than once, select the standard Notifications and Reminders template. Then click the highlighted option to open it and click Use Template. Smartsheet will now load a draft workflow based on that template. Inside the workflow editor, you'll see conditions that control when the automation runs. Click on the field that currently says Any Field. From the dropdown, select the Status column. This tells Smartsheet to watch for changes specifically in the status field instead of any change on the row. Next, click on Add a Value, and from the list of possible values for status, choose Complete. Now the condition reads so that when status changes to complete, the workflow will trigger. Scroll down to the part of the workflow labeled Trigger or similar. Here, you can decide who gets notified. Click the option for sending to specific people, and you'll also see an option to send to Microsoft Teams. If you want to connect an organization for Teams notifications, select an organization, then add organization and follow the prompts to link it. After that, you can confirm Send to Microsoft Teams if that's part of your process. For email notifications, click Send to specific people again, then click in the area that says Add a name or email. Choose or type the email address you want the notification sent to. You can add one or more recipients here as needed. Once everything looks right, scroll to the bottom of the workflow editor and click Save. Your automation is now active and will send notifications whenever the status in your sheet is updated to complete.